In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales order from the customer's page. Before we begin, a quick note. This process only works if the sales orders feature is enabled in your account. If you don't see the option to create a sales order later in this walkthrough, it likely means the feature isn't turned on for your organization. Let's get started by heading to the sales area, then opening the customers section. This is where you can see your full list of customers. Find the customer you're working with. Using the search bar can speed this up, and open their profile. Working from the customer's record helps keep the order linked to the right account from the start, which keeps reporting and follow-ups clean and accurate. On the customer's page, look for the Create Invoice button. Instead of clicking it directly, open the small drop-down next to it. From that menu, choose Create Sales Order. This is the key action that tells the system you're capturing an order commitment now, but you're not invoicing yet. You'll land on a sales order form. Enter the order details carefully. This typically includes the order date, an expected delivery or fulfillment date if you have one, any customer reference or purchase order number they provided, and the contact details that apply to this order, such as billing or shipping addresses. If your business uses terms, currency, or department tracking, make sure those are set correctly as well. Clear, specific details here reduce back and forth later and make fulfillment smoother. Now add your items. Search or select the products or services being ordered, set the quantities, and confirm unit prices. If applicable, apply discounts, choose the correct tax rates, and include any line-level descriptions that clarify what's being supplied. If inventory tracking is enabled, keep an eye on availability so you don't overcommit stock. As you add items, watch the totals update so you can confirm everything looks right before you finalize. When you're satisfied with the details and the items, click Save. Saving creates the sales order and files it under the customer's history. At this stage, you haven't issued an invoice. This document is used for order tracking before invoicing. It gives you a clear record of what's been requested and helps your team coordinate preparation, fulfillment, or scheduling work. Later, once the order is ready to bill, the information you've entered here will make invoicing faster and more accurate. And that's it. By starting from Sales, opening Customers, using the drop-down beside Create Invoice to choose Create Sales Order, entering the order details, adding items, and saving, you've captured a clean, trackable commitment that keeps your pipeline organized and your customer experience consistent.